This program is rated PG. It contains themes and scenes which may not be suitable for very young audiences. Parental guidance is advised.
Be advised that the views and opinions of the hosts and guests do not reflect those of the station.
Stopping time, leave the world behind. You can't have a life if you don't just stop and drift. There's no point, you won't know if you don't go. This motherland traveling, go sail. We're traveling at the speed of light. It's the sure thing to keep us alive. Everybody else is crashing through. Except me and you, except me and you, except me and you. Good to go is the way to go. Get away, let's live today. Let's get away. To go, to go, to go, to go, to go, to go, to go. We're traveling at the speed of light. It's the sure thing to keep us alive. Everybody else is crashing through. Except me and you, except me and you, except me and you.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Philippines Uncut. I'm Buddy Kunana. Now, on this show, we talk about everything under the sun, and tonight's topic is once again about tourism, and very timely because we've just wrapped up the Christmas season and the summer months are just around the corner. And tonight, we'd like to promote local tourism here on the show, and you're going to learn more about a company that is spearheading innovation in travel in the Philippines, and is helping all of you see this beautiful archipelago. Joining us to talk about the To Go Group is the Vice President and Passage Commercial Officer of the company, Mr. Stephen Reytagon. Stephen, good evening and welcome
Good evening,
to the
buddy.
show.
Thank you.
And it's a pleasure to have you here. I mean, for the longest time, I've wanted to have you on the show, but finally our stars aligned,
Definitely.
and you're here.
Definitely, definitely.
Yes. And this is such a special show because not only you're here, and this is a very dynamic company we're going to talk about, but we've actually transformed the set into one big art gallery just for you guys, huh?
It's great. It's great.
And I mean, we have national artist work behind me, made by national artist Isabelo Quiles, called Tivoli Tribe, and in our center we have this thing called Ati-Atihan by another famous artist, Roberto Tinonas. And behind you, Stephen, we have The Harvest by Delphine Tinonas. Beautiful works of art,
They're
eh?
very beautiful and highlights the culture of the Philippines as well.
Absolutely. And as I said earlier in my spiel, you guys are helping so many people see more of this beautiful country, which a lot of people neglect, really.
Yes,
Right?
yes.
So, okay, before we dive into the topic tonight, let's talk about you, Stephen. Talk about your background. What is your background, sir?
Actually, before I moved here in 2009, I was in Las Vegas. I worked for, my background is purely hospitality. I worked for the Wynn Las Vegas, so I opened that hotel,
Wow.
one of the luxury hotels in Las Vegas. Prior to that, the Bellagio Group of resorts in Las Vegas. And my education is actually hotel management in Switzerland, so in La Roche, Switzerland. So that's how I started before moving here to the Philippines and accepting this job.
But interesting, a very dynamic your background. You went to school in Switzerland for
Yes.
your HRM, right?
Yes, that is
Hotel
correct.
Restaurant Management, and then you worked in Vegas.
That's correct.
That must have been an experience, huh?
Yes. It's a different experience, and you get to be exposed with a lot of different people. Of course, the luxury market is
Absolutely.
thriving over there.
Yeah, I mean, I don't think there are a few places on the earth that can, when you say luxury, that can rival the way they do it in Vegas. Everything seems
Definitely,
bigger and better
Exactly.
in Vegas, huh?
It started all in Vegas before even Dubai started doing the luxury market segment.
Absolutely. Okay. Excellent. Okay, Stephen, let's talk about your company, the To Go Group. Tell us a bit about your company. What is the mission and vision, and how did it start, et cetera, et cetera?
I'll start first with how the whole
Sure.
company started. It started with Negros Navigation being the parent company. We acquired the Aboitiz Transport System Group back in December of 2010. So with this integration, when we did that integration in 2011, we had all these different brands under the two combined, it used to be called NNATS. So we have, our problem that we faced with the branding was we had very difficult regional loyalties among the brands, especially our commercial brands, which is Super Ferry,
Yeah.
Negros Navigation, Cebu Ferries, and Super Cat.
So these are kind of like identified with certain areas, no?
That is correct.
I mean, Supercat is like Bohol, Cebu, Negros Navigation.
Like
obviously
more
Negros.
Bacolod market,
Yes.
yeah. And when we did because we had a lot of ships, we had a lot of trips. So part of the integration to have more efficiency is to rationalize the schedules, the routes. So you're not serving the same ports, at an X number of trips per week. So we wanted to make sure that we consolidate our operations. So therefore, some of the Super Ferry ships were scheduled to go on instead of the Cebu route, it would go to the Bacolod,
Yeah.
Iloilo route. So, and then our numbers were dropping because people would associate with the brand of
Yes.
Negros Navigation, or
Yes.
Cebu people wouldn't ride Negros Navigation because they want
Yes.
Super Ferry.
Yes.
So this was what we encountered. So
Must
what we
have been
did.
difficult, huh? I mean,
It was.
in the start, getting it all together, right?
Definitely.
Syncing everything to make it work seamless, no?
Because you have the market, the commercial side,
Yeah.
and you have the internal side among the employees, and making sure, of course, as part of the corporate integration, there's a lot of retrenchment that was going on because of duplicating roles.
Yes.
So that while that was happening, also the commercial side was happening. Of course, you have to respond to your market, and
course.
and you have to follow them. What are the demands? So you have to adjust and adapt to that. So
How long did it take for you guys to get everything together? Let's say, I mean, as you mentioned, internal problems, I mean, not
Yes.
problems, but challenges.
Yes.
And external challenges as well. How long before To Go became To Go?
it became To Go. It took us about a year because a lot of research that entailed in the market. We had to see what our clients wanted. If we rebranded, what would be the new brand? How would they respond to it? So with this, we came up with one solid brand, which you know now as a To Go group of companies. At least it's solid, communicates one single message, and it would eliminate those old brand loyalties that what we had in the past. So
And I have to say, as a consumer, you guys have done an excellent job. I mean,
Thank
at
you.
precisely that. Precisely that. You know, having one entity with its
Yes.
own image, its own branding,
Mhm.
and sort of, you know, getting people sailing in one direction.
definitely.
Now, how do you guys affect, let's say, this whole rebranding thing? Why do you, I mean, okay, why is it called To Go? What is the thrust of this, of your rebranding program?
The original brand To Go was started actually with the Aboitiz group, but
Okay.
it was originally just a courier brand. So this was the original To Go Express, so to speak. The background of that, when the branding company did that for To Go, for the Aboitiz group, when they did the research, the magenta color was young, was fresh. It was not used in the market anywhere else in the world for that kind of business. It's very positive, and also the words To Go, the number 2, and the G in the Go is actually, it represents the logistics cycle. It's an arrow that represents that cycle.
Oh, interesting.
So it signifies movement. Continuous movement. So it's very, again, it's very positive. Again, it's very catchy. It's easy to remember. So that's why we didn't want to reinvent the wheel. So we wanted a brand that people would associate with, So with all the different companies that we have, we carry that main brand with a sub-brand depending on their business unit.
Yes, because again, let's say a lot of people have seen trucks with
Yes.
to go. So
Yes, the delivery
wha-
trucks,
What is to
definitely.
go? I mean, so tell us about the company as a whole. How many businesses does to go have?
So the To Go group of companies, now we're the largest in the Philippines. We're logistics, distribution, and supply chain that we deliver people and cargoes to wherever, whenever, seamlessly. So that's our main thrust. With the To Go group of companies, we have different business units. We can start with To Go Travel, which is the passenger brand.
Okay.
Under To Go Travel, we have Supercat. We retain the Supercat brand because of its heavy brand presence for that market.
Yep.
So we retain that, but it's under To Go Travel, which is under the shipping group. And under the shipping group, we also have To Go Freight, which does the cargo. And of course, rolling or containerized cargo all over the Philippines. We do that as well. We have To Go Express, which is the original one. So we do all the courier services. Anything from parcels, envelopes. We service DFA for passport applications. We serve the U.S. Embassy, a number of other
Wow.
embassies, Spain, England, I think, Greece. So a lot of the embassies, we have the service that would distribute their visas to the people that send for visa applications. So it's very, on the express side, it's very kind of, the coverage is wide because of our network
Yeah.
around the Philippines.
Yeah.
For the logistics group, we have the To Go Logistics. Again, they take care of the warehousing needs of the To Go Freight clients. We have cross-docking facilities, so we service Mercury Drugs because now the growth in the chain of supermarkets are, it's there all over the country. So we're there to support that growth to make sure that products are being replaced on the shelves in a just-in-time approach to make sure that they're not out of stock. Because
Yeah.
if you're out of stock,
Yes.
that's out of sale.
Yes,
So we make
yes.
sure that we distribute a lot of the retail products on shelves, and which next in line comes our distribution company, which is called Scan Asia, which does the distribution of those
Amazing.
companies. Not just domestic products, but Scan Asia started to distribute products from mostly Scandinavia, the cheese your favorite cheeses that you see in grocery stores, President butter, Lurpak, all those dairy produced, but now they
President
do,
butter. I like it. I like it.
It's a lot. It's a lot of different. It started as and then also a support to that would be our cold chain company To Go supply. Special Containers, which has the refrigerated vans and ISO tanks that would carry special liquid transport. We have that group, and then the last group is
The last one, right?
is the international logistics.
Yeah.
Of course, we're not just nationwide, but we're also international.
Yeah.
Anything that you need shipped all over the world, we have that. We're partnered with Hapag-Lloyd,
Yes.
so that's our international partner. Those are containers cargo mostly from Europe and around Asia. We have Carrier Logistics, which is also containerized, but mostly retail. So, for example, the fashion brands such as Tod's, Louis Vuitton, Ferragamo are carried from Europe to their central distribution either in Singapore and Hong Kong, repacked, redistributed around Asia. So that's what Carrier Logistics does, and that's what we have in the Philippines. So we're also servicing the retail side.
Wow. I mean, that is a handful. Your company's a monster. It's
Yes.
huge. Huh? Okay, so I mean, how do you guys do it? How do you guys manage this with one huge company and keep everything, together?
Each business unit we have our own heads. So for me, I mainly handle the To Go Travel side of the business. However, I also handle the marketing of the whole group. So on top of running To Go Travel.
You've got a lot of duties and responsibilities, Stephen. Huh?
Yes, yes.
Do you find
But it's
time for
great.
fun?
I try.
Try. Good
try.
answer. Good answer. Okay. Would it be safe to say that To Go Travel is the main focus, though, of the company?
That is correct.
This is the core business of To Go.
On the shipping group,
Yeah.
yes, yes. It's one of the, we call it the retail side of the companies. It's
Yeah.
To Go Express and To Go Travel. But To Go Travel, of course, we take care of the passengers and, of course, traveling around the Philippines. So
Excellent,
which is our
excellent.
feture for today.
Which is our feature today.
Yes,
But
yes.
We're going to jump into that when
Definitely.
when Bian Tupas, your AVP of Marketing, joins us for next segment.
That's
so we're going to
correct.
pause for a break.
Yes.
Guys, don't go away because more of Let's Go Philippines and To Go group of companies when Philippines Uncut.